are you, Bacha Party? Fine. Okay. So, have you seen my previous lecture? In my previous lecture, we already done the revision of chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, house. Right. So today we are going to start chapter number 6. Dear students, I already told you that chapter number 5 I am going to skip. My family, we are not going to learn anything about the family because because this chapter you already learnt when you was in class 1. That's why I skipped this chapter. Okay, so chapter number 6, this is the last chapter of the revision. Okay, once again I will tell you the syllabus of your half yearly exam, that chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Keep all these chapters is in your mind and read all the chapter very carefully, right? Because this time you are not going to have the question and answer or one word short answer or one line answer. You will not get these types of questions, right? So read the entire chapter carefully. Okay, so the last chapter, my neighborhood, this is the last revision chapter which I am going to take now. Okay, so let's begin with the chapter. So my neighborhood, I already told you that the importance of the neighbors and the neighborhood. We are going to learn the importance of the neighbors and the neighborhood. Then second is important place in our neighborhood area. These three things we are going to discuss once again. We already made you learn each and everything about this chapter, but once again this is your half yearly examination is going on soon. That's why once again I am going to take the revision, right? So we will start whatever is written in your book. First I will read, then I will explain. Okay, so I am going to start from page number 34. Okay, yes, shall we start? Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. Yes, line number 1, the area near our house is called neighborhood. People who live in neighborhood are called our neighbors. Yes, it is very much correct written over here in your book. There are some families, those who are living in our area, our colony, our gully, our mohalla, they all are our neighbors, right? So they are not living in the same house, they are not living in my house, they are not living in your house, they are living in different houses, right? Okay, the neighbors make our life happy and comfortable. It is very correct written over here. When we have good relationship, when we have strong bonding with the neighbors, then definitely we can live our life happily. They give us sense of security and well-being. Yes, when we have good relationship with our neighbors, then definitely we all feel very secure. Okay. Okay, many big and small neighborhood together make a town or a city. Is your neighborhood small or big? Okay, so neighborhood can be a small town, can be a small city, can be a village, or can be a big city or metropolitan city, right? So neighbors, so I already told you that some families are living in the same surrounding where we all are living. We call them the neighbors. And neighborhood, there are two types of neighborhood places. First one is the natural features. And second one is the man-made features, or we can say the artificial features. Okay. So when we will talk about the natural features, then we will talk about the mountains, the hills, the trees, rivers, lakes, ponds, right? So we will talk about all the nature feature, all the natural features, whatever nature give us, we will talk about that features. Is it This is also necessary to us when we are going to live any place there, or when we are going to construct, when we are going to build a house, then it is necessary to us. We keep all these things is in our mind. Our neighborhood should have some natural features along with the artificial features. Both are very needed, very required. Okay, yes. So in this category, first we will I already told you that the natural features है ना, natural features में we can talk about the trees, we can talk about the birds, we can talk about the mountains, the hills, the rivers. These all will comes in the natural features. Now we will discuss about the man-made features, the artificial neighborhood. So in this category, first we are going to learn about the post office. On page number 35, paragraph number 1, post office. Okay, so whatever is written in this paragraph, first I will read, then I will explain. Right? We go to the post office to buy a stamp, envelope, postcard, sorry, and a post letter. After writing letters, so yes, definitely when we need stamp, envelope and postcard, then where we will go to post office. After writing letters, we drop them in a letter box. Yes, I already told you, I already explained you that, see, writing a letter, this is not the what I can say, ये इस समय की बात नहीं है, ठीक है. When I was child, that time I used to write the letters to my grandma, to my teachers, to my maternal home. So right, so when we are going to write the letter, first thing is required that the letter, postcard. Okay, so postcard is in yellow color. Postcard is in yellow color, and we are going to start writing. We are going to start writing in front of the postcard. Okay, it is in rectangle shape. Right, when we will turn the postcard, then here there is the address. There is the address column, and we will write the address over there. We will write the address over there. Right. So suppose we write a letter, then what we will do? We will drop the letter in the letter box, and the color of the letter box is red. And the patra peti, in Hindi we can call patra peti. Patra peti is written on the letter box. Patra peti and the letter box. Right. Okay, so this letter box is in red color, and there is a small window. There is a small window in this letter box. When we will write the letter, or we wrote the letter, we drop the letter in that small window. And what postman will do? Postman will come, and there is a lock, beta. Actually there is a lock in the letter post. Right, so only the postman has the authority to open this letter box. Right, so postman will come, and he will open the lock, and he will collect all the letters. Whatever letter is in the letter box, postman will collect all the letters. And what he will do? He will collect all the letters in his what I can say, in his bag. Right, and he will take all the letters into the post office. And what they will do over there, what the postman will do over there, postman will separate out all the letters. Okay, suppose he got 4 letters of Bhopal, then he will make a separate bunch of Bhopal. He got 5 letters of Indore, then what he will do? He will make the separate bunch of Indore. As well, as like the Bhopal and Indore, he will make all the bundles. He will separate out all the letters, and he will make the bundle. He will prepare the bundle accordingly. Right, and then He will keep all the bunches in the vans, bus, trains and aeroplanes. Whatever vehicle he has provided by the government, he will keep all the letters in that particular van, bus, train or aeroplane, right? And there the postman delivers these letters to the different houses, different areas. This is the main job of a postman, to deliver the letters in the different houses, or we can say in the different areas. Understood? Hope you understood well, because I already explained you each and everything about the post office, right? So paragraph number 2 is about the hospital. Paragraph number 2 is about the hospital. We go to the hospital when we fall sick. Yes, when we fall sick, we go to hospital. When we get hurt, we get injured, we go to hospital. Doctors and nurses treat us and look after us. Yes, the job of a doctor is to treat us. Doctor will write the prescription, and whatever prescription is written by the doctor is followed by the nurse. Nurse will take care of us, right? And hospital has so many facilities. When we will talk about the facilities, first one we will talk about the ambulance. Yes, ambulance is a kind of a vehicle when we get in any emergency. If we have any emergency, then only we can get the ambulance, right? So for calling ambulance, we can dial 102. This is the number of the ambulance. When we will dial on this number, we get the ambulance, and ambulance we get only in emergency, right? Okay, so here I am completing paragraph number 2. Now paragraph number 3, bank. Yes, we can keep our money and other costly things safe in the bank. It is very much correct written over here in your book that if we want to keep our money, so where we want to keep? Yes, definitely we all will think about the bank only. Bank is a place where we can keep our money and our precious or costly jewelry or items safe in the bank. So bank is a place where we can keep our money and we can feel very safe. Bank is a place where we can keep our jewelries, our precious, our gold items, our diamond items, we can keep in the lockers. So we can feel very safe. Yes, I kept my all the things in the safe hands, right? Okay, so apart from the money and the jewelry, bank provide one more facility to us, to the common people, that is ATM. Yes, bank provide us the ATM services, right? And you papa have the ATM card, your mama have the ATM card. So what is the use of the ATM card? Yes, when you want to withdraw some money, when you need some money, then you will go to ATM. You will go to ATM and your parents will use the ATM card. That ATM card is provided by the bank. Okay. So ATM means is a kind of machine. In that machine, when we keep our ATM card inside the machine, then we have to press the code, and whatever amount we need, we will press that amount, right? Then ATM machine will provide us, will give us that amount, right? So this is the use of ATM, and ATM is a machine. By this machine we can give the money 24/7, means 24 hours this machine is available to give us money. We can withdraw money in the ATM, right? So now I am going to turn the page and we will discuss on being a good neighbor. This paragraph number 4th of the chapter, being a good neighbors. What qualities should be there in a good neighbors? So we will discuss about all the good qualities of a neighbor, right? To live happily in a neighborhood, we need to be a good neighbor. Yes, a good neighbor is the one who is ready to help other neighbors. Here are some ways to make you a good neighbor. Some ways are given in your book to be a good neighbor, right? So children of many neighbors stay our home when their parents go out for shopping. Sometimes it is happening in our day-to-day life. Then when our parents have any work, any emergency, then parents will drop you in your neighbor's house, है ना. वो ऐसा होता है ना, यूजुअली मम्मी और पापा बोलते हैं कि प्लीज़ हमें थोड़ी सी इमरजेंसी है, तो थोड़ी देर के लिए हम अपने बेटे या अपनी बेटी को आपके घर पर छोड़कर जा रहे हैं. जैसे ही हमारा काम फिनिश होगा हम वापस आ जाएंगे, ठीक है. सो यू आर फीलिंग वेरी सेफ बिकॉज यू आर इन द सेफ हैंड्स, है ना. राइट, ओके. नाउ number 2, we take urgent messages of our neighbors when they are not at home. It is happening in our daily life, it is happening in our day-to-day life, है ना. When we have any emergency, when we have any urgent message and mama and papa both are working men and women, in that condition neighbors is the person who will collect your messages, your letters, your parcels, right? It is happening now. Yes, it is happening with all of us. It is happening with all of us. Okay, now number 3, we as volunteers serve our guests when there is any celebration. Yes, when there is any celebration is in our home, is in our house, then we will call our neighbors and neighbors will serve our guest. Neighbors will help us, they will serve our guest, right? So whenever there is any now we keep our neighborhood neat and clean. Yes, we always keep our neighborhood neat and clean. Here we can say we will not keep our neighborhood clean, but we have to keep all the environment clean. Not only our neighborhood, your classroom, your house, your streets, your gully, your mohalla, your colony, everything should be neat and clean. So then only you can protect yourself from diseases. Otherwise, if there is any garbage, there is any kooda kachra, then we are also not feeling good. How we can live with the dirty things, right? So it is our moral responsibility to keep our surrounding, to keep our environment neat, clean and tidy, right? Okay, so we take good care of our neighborhoods whenever they are sick. Yes, if anybody is sick at your home, then what your neighbors will do? Yes, your neighbor will come and he will ask about your health, right? And neighbors always ready to help us. Neighbor always ready to help us. So is it very necessary to have the good relationship, to have the friendly relationship with our neighbors, right? So here we are finishing this paragraph, being a good neighbors, and some good things I discuss with you in this paragraph, right? So now I am going to read about the places in our neighborhood paragraph number 2. So first we are going to discuss about the market. Okay, so market is a place where we can buy the things, whatever things we all are using in our day-to-day life, in our daily life. Sorry, there are many shops in market. We buy things like food items, clothes, utensils, medicines, toys, book, and all these things we can buy in the market only, right? So we can buy too, but we can buy all these things without money. Is it possible to us to get anything without money? No, it is not possible. It is not possible for anyone to buy anything without money. Okay, every neighborhood has a small market. Yes, whether you are living in a small town, whether you are living in a small city, whether you are living in a big city or a metropolitan city, market is always there in every city, town or place. One can buy many things under a single roof in a shopping mall. Yes, nowadays the shopping malls are in the fashion, and shopping mall is a place where we can buy all the things under only single roof. एक ही छत के नीचे एक ही मॉल में हमें ढेर सारे आइटम्स, ढेर सारी चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं. दैट इज शॉपिंग मॉल. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज शॉपिंग मॉल. शॉपिंग मॉल वो जगह होती है बेटा जहाँ पर आपको एक छत के नीचे सारी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें आसानी से मिल जाती हैं. वन कैन बाय मैनी थिंग्स अंडर अ single roof. That is called shopping mall. Okay, this is the definition of a shopping mall, right? On page number 37, paragraph number 1, police station. We will discuss about police station. Yes, what is the main job of policeman? Yes, policeman protect us. Policemen maintain the law and the order. Okay, so whatever is given in the paragraph I will read. Every big neighborhood has a police station. The police help in maintain law and order in the neighborhood. They guard the neighborhood from any danger. They help people to find their lost item. You can dial 100. You can dial 100. So what is the main job of a policeman? Yes, policeman is not only protect ourselves, policeman is also playing the role of a guard. Okay, policeman protect our city from the danger, and the one is most famous duty of the policeman is that to maintain the law and order. Whatever order he got from government side, that is the duty of the policeman to maintain that law and order in that particular city, particular town, right? If we need a police head, then we will call 100. When we will make a call on the 100 number, then we can get the help from police side. As like the policeman, there is one more police that we can call the traffic police. Yes. So what is the main job of the traffic police? Yes, to control the traffic, to control the rush of the town. Sometimes we all are we see when we will, especially when we will go in the big cities, when we will talk about a big cities or metropolitan cities, there is lots of rush. There is lots of rush on the way. So that time the traffic police, the main job of the traffic police is that to control the traffic. so we can reach where we want to reach, है ना. अगर बहुत सारा ट्रैफिक होगा तो वी विल फेस द प्रॉब्लम ना बेटा. अगर समझो, सपोज आई एम गिविंग अ स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वेल. सपोज अगर खरगोन थोड़ा और बड़ा शहर होता और आपका जो घर है वो थोड़ा सा दूर होता और रास्ते में अगर आपको बहुत सारा ट्रैफिक मिलता, देन can you able to reach to school on time? Can your papa is able to reach office on time? No, we can't. That's why traffic police always control the traffic on the road, and we always should follow the traffic rules. Always. It is necessary not only for you, not only for me, but it is necessary for all of us to follow the traffic rules, right? Okay, now we will discuss about the fire station. This is the last paragraph of the chapter. As like police station, we have fire station also in our neighborhood place. Fire station is also an important service which we call, which we have in our neighborhood place, right? So our fire station has firefighters. A fire station has firefighters or firemen. They have the fire brigade. When a fire breaks out, the red fire brigade with their loud siren come to save the people. And this job, fireman, is very risky. It is very risky. The firemen use ladders and water's house to put out the fire. फायरमैन क्या करता है? फायरमैन के पास क्या होता है? लैडर्स होती है, बहुत बड़ी सीढ़ी होती है और बहुत सारा पानी होता है टैंक में, टू पुट द फायर आउट. द ड्यूटी ऑफ फायरमैन इज़ वेरी रिस्की. इट इज़ वेरी रिस्की. और टू गेट द फायर brigade we can call 101. This is the number of fire brigade, right? So here we are finishing the chapter number 6, the revision of chapter number 6. Whatever exercise is given in the chapter we will do orally. I am not going to write anything on the board, right? So take the correct answer. A market has many. Option A, shop. B, house. C, schools. So what is the right answer? Yes, option B is the right answer. A market has many shops. Number 2, the doctor and nurse work in A, bank. B, hospital. C, fire station. Yes, this answer you can guess easily. Hospital. Nurse and doctors are working in the hospitals. Which one provide an ATM service? What provide us? Police station, fire station or bank? Which option is the correct? Yes, option A is the right answer, bank. Now we will do the exercise number B, true and false. Some statements are given in this exercise. I will read one by one and we will decide which statement is true, which statement is false. Okay, so number 1, we should be friendly to our neighbors. This statement is right. Yes, always be very friendly with the neighbors. So write true. A neighborhood has only one house. No, it is wrong. This number 2 statement is wrong. Neighborhood has so many houses. Number 3, we can keep our money safe in a bank. Yes, this option is correct. It is very right statement. Then when we keep our money in the bank, we feel very safe. Number 4, the neighbors give us a sense of security. Yes, if you are living next to a good neighbors, then definitely automatically you will feel very safe. द ड्यूटी ऑफ अ फायरमैन इज वेरी रिस्की. यस, इट इज़ वेरी रिस्की. आग में दूसरों को बचाने जाने से पहले वो खुद भी उसमें जल सकते हैं. दैट्स वाई दिस स्टेटमेंट इज राइट. सो क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू कम ऑन योर हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम. सो आई विल नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस about the question and the answers, and I am hoping that you all will give your exam best. You all will give your best, right? So here all the revision of chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 6 I am going to complete. I am going to finish over here, and you are watching this video. After this video we will continue with the new syllabus, right? After this video we will continue with the new syllabus, and I am hoping that you will give your half yearly exam very well. Read each and every question very carefully. First you will get the fill in the blanks. There you will type your answer. Whatever word will come in that blank place, you will type that answer. So you will get 10 fill in the blanks, you will get 10 true false, and you will get 20 MCQs. This is the pattern of your exam. And from my side, all the best. Do your best. Read each and every answer carefully and try to submit your question paper, your answer sheet before 5 or 10 minutes. So all the best from my side, and do your best. Give your best. Love you. Bye.